Okay, so after you've typed in the information, it should look like this. Now we're going to do some basic formatting like the sheet says. So we're going to select A1 through D1, either using this crosshair or the big white plus sign, and merge and center, bold it, make it a little bit bigger. We're going to auto fit column A. We're going to select A1 through A2 through D2, bold, center, not merge and center, just regular center. Wrap the text and fill it black. When you do that, it should change the font to white, maybe not on the MacBooks. Then you're going to also center the text in the middle vertically. So sometimes it's called middle align. Yep. All right, we're going to make these amounts and our 2-week totals look like money. So we're going to click here, our accounting number format, and decrease the decimal. Okay. To add across, to auto sum across, we're going to keep those numbers selected with the 2-week totals cell selected. So remember, when you auto sum across, you have to select the numbers that you want to add and where you want the answer to go. So if I just go over here and click auto sum, it's there. I'm going to select A1 through D1, go up here and choose thick box border. Great. Now it's time for the chart. So I'm going to change this to data. And the first chart is going to be A2 to C7. Go to Insert, Chart. All this should look the same as it did yesterday in Excel. So I'm going to click 2D column. Okay. I'm going to cut this chart, Command X or Control X on your other computer. Click down here in the plus sign, rename it Charts, and paste, Command V. Okay, it says to click on the chart area now. Remember yesterday I made this big deal. You can't just click there and type. It just adds it to it. So I suggest triple clicking and typing over it. Weekend, like don't hit backspace or anything like that. Just type over it, weekend, box, office, results. Okay, we don't need to put a horizontal axis, but we do need to say that this is results in millions or cells in millions. So this looks a little different. So with my chart selected, I'm going to go up here to chart design. And remember in the one on the PC, it gives you a little plus sign here, which looks like that. So either way, it's the same. So you can click up here where it says add chart element or click on the plus sign here if you're on your PC. And we're going to go to axis titles and just choose primary vertical. So remember, you have to triple click. There it says cells in millions. I think I may have too many L's or something there. And we're going to add data labels. So same thing, click the plus sign or go over here. Data labels, outside end. And we're going to move our legend. So legend top. Okay. It says to change the chart area to A1 through H18. Okay. This is one thing we did not do yesterday is change the axis here. So right now it's going from 0 to 40 by 5s. Okay, so we're going to change that. So I'm going to click on my axis here. And on these computers, I think if you double click what you're trying to select, or you can right click. I don't think that works. So I think you just have to double click. And we're going to go over here to chart number. Oh no, I lied. Axis options. Sorry. So click chart, make sure you're in axis options and go here. So here my minimum 0 is going to say the same. My maximum is going to be 42. My major unit's going to be 6. So right now it automatically changes to -3. Don't worry about it. When you change it to 6, another even number, it goes ahead and changes it back to 0, and then it adjusts your minor unit. So I don't worry about that. Okay. So now our axis has changed, and then we're going to change our chart color to like a black and gray. So I'm going to choose this one. All right, your first chart is complete. Pretty simple there. All right, next chart. This one gets a little bit more difficult. So we're going to select movie down to Gemini Man. Press and hold Control. No. Use the Command key. Okay, so here's the deal. When you're working on your PC, you're going to do A2 to A7, press and hold Control. When you're working on your MacBook, now you're going to press and hold Command. Okay, so we have A2 through A7 selected, and then with Command held or Control held, I selected D2 through D7. Insert column, 2D column. All right, you're going to cut that chart, Command X or Control X on the other computer, Command V. I'm just going to make this chart just a little bit wider, maybe just a tad taller, just because. I'm going to take it down to 40. Okay, so right now I'm going to change my title here. So I'm going to triple click. Okay. I am going to have a horizontal axis title here. So I'm going to click on my chart, go up here to Chart Design, Add Chart Element, Axis Titles. I'm just going to click on those and choose Primary Horizontal. Okay. Triple click. Or on your PC, just click it or just start typing. Top. Okay, top movies, sorry. Same thing, we're going to go to Add Chart Element, Axis Titles, Primary Vertical, triple click, or just start typing in the PC. Okay. I think I did the same thing again. I'm not sure. Whatever. All right. I need to add data labels. So I'll go up here to Add Chart Element, Data Labels, Outside End. I'm going to reformat the axis here. So I'm going to click on my axis. Should change it over here. Go click on the chart. Axis options. My maximum is going to stay 60, but I want my major unit to be 5. Okay. So that really helped to extend my chart to H40. So please do the same. make your chart to H40. All right, now we haven't decided what color to make our columns yet because we're going to add a picture first. So remember, you write, so you're going to click in between the two lines, and then you're going to go here to fill. So again, you could double click between the lines here. We're going to fill it with a picture. Okay, so on your PC, you have to choose one from the clipboard. So we're going to go to Google here and search for movie clip art. Oh, guys, I struggle with copying and pasting here. Okay. I'm going to try one of these simple ones here. So I click on it. So I two-finger clicked it, and I'm going to go to copy image. Remember, when you copy, it goes to what's called your clipboard. I'm going to minimize this in case it, oops, in case it goes away, or in case that didn't work. Or I'm not. Okay, where's my picture from? The clipboard. So I'm going to click on that. Again, remember, I did not click on my chart area. I clicked inside here. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the data labels and go up here to my home ribbon and fill them white. Solid fill. Yeah, there we go. Or I could do it here, just so I can see them a little bit better. I like them blue. I'm fine with blue. I could change them to a different color, but I'm going to keep them this way. All right, and then you shouldn't have a legend on your chart. I'm going to click on my chart title and bold it and make it 2 bigger. All right, guys, you are done.